Welcome guys, in this video we will design or get using Xilinx. So let's start it. If you want to get and not and other gates, just visit my channel, and in the playlist Xilinx you can get all this video in details. So click on file and then click on new project, then name as it Xilinx or get. And then keep it as HDL and then click on next, and you find the preferred language VHDL and then click on next and then finish it. And after finishing, you can see here the left side the X is 7A. Just right click on it and then click new source, find the VHDL module and then give the file name or get, then click on next. And then for OR gate 2 input and 1 output, so I want to give his name 1 input A and then input is B and then output will be C, and for it is as it is input default and we will make it output. Then click on next and then finish. And after finishing, you can see here the all these things, find the begin and end, and in the middle of it just write C less than or equals to A plus A or B semicolon. Don't forget to give this semicolon. Then click on Ctrl S, otherwise you can click here this shape and then find the synthesize XST and click on check synthesis. You can see this syntax is completed successfully. You can see a lot of process will happen, and then click on the view RTL schematic. You can see here a lot of design and all the process is happening. So now click on start with schematic top level, then click on OK. You will see this OR gate A, B is input and C is output. Clicking above this, you can see the find OR gate and you can see the diagram. And now we will construct the graph. For graph, what you have to do, just click on the left corner the simulation and then find the OR gate and then right click on it and click on new source and find the VHDL test bench, because we are using VHDL language. Then write OR gate VTBW, then click on next, then next and then finish it. You can see the pop-up. Just click yes or no what you want, and then your first work will be the comment the clock line. I have comment this line. You can see writing the double hyphen and then find also here, then select it and right click on it, then click on comment, then lines. And now another clock and this right only the double. You can see that we have commented all the clock. Now we'll find the begin. Then we have to write A less than equals to 0 and then B less than equals to 0 and then semicolon. Then we have to for an OR gate the 4 input type, just copy this line, Ctrl C and then paste it 3 times, Ctrl V and then Ctrl V and then Ctrl V. And now we will change 0, it is 0 0, then I will make it 0 1 and next we will make it 1 0 and then we will make it 1 1. Now Ctrl S, save it. Now what you have to do, just click on this OR gate and find the ISM, click here, then behavioral check syntax, just check it is correct or not. You can see this is correct. Now simulate the behavior, then you find a pop-up will come the window. You can see this all the, just first click on here the zoom to full and you will find the real things. So you can see, just find this yellow line, this line you will see at the first in this corner. Just drag and drop it. You can see for this 0 to 100 nanosecond you will see the A input 0, B input 0, for C output 0, and this 100 to 200 nanosecond you can see A0, B1, for this reason C output 1, and for 200 to 300 1 0 input and output is 1, because OR gate, when any of the 1 then it will be 1, or both of the 1 it will be 1, and for both of 0 then you will find the 0. See, both of 0, A, B 0, and for C is 0. So if you like this video, just give a like. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. And this is a coding jo server where a lot of coder and also the VHDL user, Xilinx user are present. If you have any doubt, just put your question. Not only the Xilinx, the C, C++, Java, Python, any programming language. If you have any problem, then comment below, or otherwise ask here, and I will upload this link. So see you in next video.